grade 3. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, jugs and mugs. In this chapter we will learn about the different containers. We will also see that the liquids can be measured by container of its known capacity. It can be measured more than one time. Now what is capacity? Capacity means the ability to hold or contain the things, that is known as capacity. Now here you can see picture. In this you can see some of the solid items are also there and liquid items are also there. Now solid items are measured in which unit? Yes, grams and kilograms. And in liquid items you can find it is measured in liters and milliliters. Okay. In bigger unit you can see liters. In smaller units you can see milliliters. Understood? Liters is denominated by L and milliliters is denominated by ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Yes, 1000 milliliters is 1 liter you can say. Now what examples you can find in this? In liters, okay? We will see first of all that. Okay? Now you can see over here water in the bucket. Yes? Petrol in the petrol tank. Now juice in a jug. Cold drink in a bottle. Now oil, ghee and many such examples are there you can see in liters. Now we will see examples of milliliters. Tea in a cup, milk given to a baby. You can also see honey, sanitizer and many other things comes in smaller quantity that you can find in milliliters. Understood? Now students, here you can see some of the containers are there. Now this container you can see this is of 1000 milliliter. Yes, 1000 milliliter means you can say in other words 1 liter, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Yes. Now next you can see this container. Now this is of 250 milliliter. Yes. Now the next one I will show you this container. Now this container you can see this is of 100 milliliter. Yes. Now students, you must have seen in market some of the liquid items are sold in packets also, such as this milk, Amul milk. Now this packet is of 500 ml. Yes. In other words you can say half liter. Yes. Now this sanitizer, this is of 50 milliliter. And you can see this juice also, okay, in the small pack. This is of 150 milliliter. Yes. Now students, you can see this is a bottle of 1 liter. Yes. And this is a glass of 250 milliliter. So how many glasses we can fill? Yes, we can fill 4 more glasses from this water bottle. Yes. Now students, here you can see some of the containers are there. Now these kind of containers are used for petrol and kerosene. Now this bigger one you can see, okay, its capacity is of 1000 milliliter, or as you can say 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. Understood? Now next you can see its capacity of 500 milliliter. Okay, this one 200 milliliter. Okay, this one you can see, yes, of 100 milliliter. And this last one 50 milliliter. So these kind of different containers also you can find. Okay. So students, you must have also seen like this containers also. Now these are basically used for milk and this one of 50 milliliter. Understood? Now students, moving to the exercise. Put tick on the container with the most liquid and put cross on the container with the least liquid. Now here you can see some of the containers are there with liquid. Yes. Now the container that shows the most, we have to tick that. And the container shows the liquid least, that we have to cross out. Now in this you can find, this shows the most liquid. Yes. So here we will put tick. And this one shows the least. So here we will do cross. Okay. Now next we will see. Now here you can see some of the bottles are there. Yes. In which bottle you can find the most liquid? Yes. In this bottle. So here we will put tick. And in which bottle you can find the least liquid? Yes. The bottle that is in between these two bottles. Yes. So here we will put cross. Now next. Now here you can see glasses are there. In which glass you can find the most liquid? Yes. This one, the second glass. So here we will put tick. And in which glass you can find the least liquid? Yes. This third one. So here we will put cross. Now here you can see 3 pots are there. Now in which pot you can find the most liquid? Yes, this second one. Yes. So here we will put tick. And least liquid you can find? Yes. In number 3. So here we will put cross. So students, understood? Like this we have to find out. Now students, moving to the next exercise, let's see. How much liquid is filled? Measuring container 1 liter. Now 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Yes. Now 1 mark is of 100 ml. Here you can see marks are there. Now each mark is of 100 ml. See, 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, 500 ml, 600 ml, 700 ml, 800 ml, 900 ml, 1000 ml. Now in these containers you can find water is also filled. Yes. Now till where the water is filled, that unit we have to write. Okay. Now here you can see in the very first one, in this first container. Now water is filled till here. So here you can see 200 ml. So here we will write 200 ml. Yes. Now moving to the next container. See, 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, 500 ml, 600 ml, 700 ml, 800 ml, 900 ml, 1000 ml. Now here you can find water. It is filled till 1000 ml. So here we will write 1000 ml. Okay. Now next one. Now here let's find out. 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, 500 ml, 600 ml, 700 ml, 800 ml. Now till here you can find, okay, till 800 ml. So here we will write 800 ml. Okay. Now next one we will see 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, 500 ml. Yes, water is filled till here, 500 ml. So here we will write 500 ml. Now next, 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, 500 ml, 600 ml, 700 ml, 800 ml, 900 ml. So water is filled till 900 ml. So here we will write 900 ml. Okay. Now last one we will see 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml. So water is filled till